Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am featuring these brand new reading glasses from Firmoo. Firmoo sent me these glasses for this unboxing and try on haul. These are blue light blocking reading glasses, so they're perfect if you spend hours on digital devices like I do. So let's dive in. As you can see, they come nicely packaged with this case. So let's go ahead and open them up and see what we have here. Oh, and they have this nice protective bag. Okay, so here they are, the big reveal. This is the Firmoo TR08049 frame, and it's got such a classic vintage cat eye look that I just love. The box also includes this little pamphlet on how to care for your glasses and lots of other information here that I think you'll find valuable. I'm going to try them on. Let's take a look. Oh, nice and clear. I can see everything now. So they're really lightweight, really comfortable, not too much pressure on the nose, which is a plus. So what do you think? These are perfect if you're looking for affordable prescription glasses. These are reading glasses, but you can also get prescription glasses from Firmoo. And I'm just going to show you another angle here. So here's the side view. And the best part is, like I said, these are blue light blocking lenses with UV 400 protection, so they'll protect your eyes from those long hours in front of the computer, tablet, or phone. Let's take a closer look. So the lenses have a multifunctional coating that includes anti-glare, scratch resistance, and UV protection, like I mentioned. So not only are they stylish, but they're functional too. That nice little feature there on the side. I like that. So if you're looking for cheap glasses, by that I mean affordable, high quality, stylish prescription glasses that you can order online, definitely check out Firmoo. I'm super impressed with the quality of these, and they're only $22.99. Don't forget to click the link in the description and use my code for a discount on your order. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this.